Another 3D printed modification for the Colossus. Just stretching that spring that I've got holding the front wheels apart, or the front steering apart. So that's about 10mm wider than the one that I've got on there at the moment. Nearly finished, 87%. Okay, so at the moment we've got this yellow spring on the top, or spreader, or whatever you want to call it. And if I just move the wheels a little bit, it's probably not visible from this angle, but they're tilting in, cambered in, which is probably right for some reasons. If I take that off, then it cambers right in, which again might be right for some reasons, but as far as I'm concerned, all it's doing is running on the very inside edge of the wheels, and it rubs against the bodywork. So we'll swap it for this one, which I say is about 10mm wider. You can't even see it, can you, because it's black. I might have to trim it a little bit. Oh no, that is going in. There we go. Right, I think I could have gone further still, because there's quite a bit of flex on the actual axles themselves, which makes it look worse than it is. Well, I say look worse, it is worse than it looks because they flex around so much. But that should keep them a bit flatter on the road. Now we might do a Mark III, we might push it out a little bit further. Anyway, one thing I found driving it today was that one did actually bounce out with all the bouncing. So I thought I'd do a really technical fix and put a rubber band on it. I might do that. Hang on, let's do that. Over one. And again. Can't get my fingers under there. Over the other one. What do we do with that? Put that over there for now. So that shouldn't pop out now. Yeah. I think today's run out on the grass, out on Durham Downs, demonstrated that it is underpowered, but it did all right. It's not going to be a racing car by any means, and it's only rear-wheel drive, so it's not a real off-roader. It's a toy. It's a toy-grade toy that I've put radio-controlled controls on. so we can actually get proportional steering and proportional acceleration. Oh, and a better range. So, let's go wide angle. Okay. Well, steering still works anyway. Yeah, that'll do for now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.